little friends. Welcome to my garden adventure. I'm Lily, and today I'm going to tell you all about the amazing health benefits of some delicious vegetables. Let's start with the carrot. Did you know that carrots are good for your eyes? They're full of something called beta-carotene, which helps our eyes see better, especially in the dark. So, eating carrots can help us have super strong eyesight. Next up, we have the cucumber. Cucumbers are mostly made of water, which helps our bodies stay hydrated and keep cool, especially on hot days. So, eating cucumbers can make us feel refreshed and full of energy. Look at this green broccoli. It's like a little tree in our garden. Broccoli is packed with vitamins and minerals that help our bodies grow big and strong. It's like eating a superhero meal that gives us lots of power to run and play. Next is tomatoes. These juicy red fruits are full of something called lycopene, which helps keep our hearts healthy and strong. Eating tomatoes can help us have a strong heart and stay active all day long. Now, who loves salad? Lettuce is the star of salads. It's full of fiber, which helps our tummies feel full and happy. Eating lettuce can help us have a healthy tummy and lots of energy for playing. In lettuce, you'll find a special vitamin called vitamin A. So, next time you're making a yummy salad or a crunchy sandwich, don't forget to add some lettuce for a boost of vitamin A. Avocados are like little green treasures. Avocados grow on trees in warm and sunny places. They're like nature's creamy treasure waiting to be discovered. They're full of healthy fats that are good for our brains and bodies. When you slice open an avocado, you'll find a magical green fruit inside. It's like opening a surprise gift. Onions grow in the ground like hidden treasures, waiting to add a burst of flavor to our meals. When you peel an onion, you reveal layers of deliciousness, just like unwrapping a tasty present. One of the amazing vitamins in onions is vitamin C. Vitamin C is like a shield that helps our bodies fight off colds and other yucky germs. Well, that's all for today, my little garden adventurers. I hope you had fun learning about the healthy benefits of vegetables with me. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonders of nature. See you later. Bye. Hi there, little friends. Welcome to my garden adventure. I'm Lily, and today I'm going to tell you all about the amazing health benefits of some delicious fruits. Let's start with the apple. Did you know that apples are full of fiber? Fiber helps keep our tummies happy and our bodies healthy. So, eating apples can help us have strong tummies and lots of energy for playing. Next up, we have the banana. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is like a superhero for our bodies. It helps our muscles work properly and keeps our hearts beating strong. So, eating bananas can make us feel strong and full of energy. Look at this juicy orange. Oranges are bursting with vitamin C, which is great for keeping us from getting sick. It helps our bodies fight off germs and stay healthy. So, eating oranges can help us stay strong and keep those sniffles away. Now, who doesn't love watermelon? It's so juicy and sweet. Watermelons are mostly made of water, which helps us stay hydrated and keep cool, especially on hot days. So, eating watermelons can help us feel refreshed and ready to play. Grapes. These little fruits are full of antioxidants, which are like tiny superheroes that protect our bodies from bad guys called free radicals. Eating grapes can help keep our bodies strong and healthy, just like superheroes. And last but not least, we have cherries. Cherries are packed with vitamins and minerals that help our bodies grow big and strong. Plus, they're so yummy and sweet. Eating cherries can make us feel happy and healthy inside and out. So, as you can see, fruits are not only delicious, but they're also super healthy for us. Remember to eat a variety of fruits every day to keep your body happy and strong. Well, that's all for today, my little garden adventurers. I hope you had fun learning about the healthy benefits of fruits with me. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonders of nature.